Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. I'm making one side off shoulder maxi dress. Can also call it BUBU dress, and it's 2 yards of Duchess material that I'm using to achieve this style. I hope you are doing fine, guys. Please watch this particular video to the end. I really want this channel to grow this January 2025. Also subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also comment. Let's us talk and make a comment so that we can know that you are following up, and you can also make us to understand that you are understanding the tutorial that we are presenting every day. Kindly turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my next video. So guys, let's get started now with today's tutorial. Okay guys, this is my 2 yards of my Duchess material that I'm using to make my one side off shoulder maxi dress. Can also call it BUBU dress. So I'm making this today, guys. So keep on watching. So let me open it to us so that we can get started now with our tutorial. So the fabric, I'm going to fold it into 2 pieces. Alright, so first I have to split it. I have to use my scissors to open it. Alright, that's what I'm showing you guys. So like I said, if you're interested to know this kind of style, please keep on watching this particular tutorial so that we can get started now with our measurements. I have to open it into 2. That is, the other side will be the back side, while the other side will be the front side that we are going to use to achieve this style that we are making today. Is a beautiful style, guys, so please keep on watching, and you can also give this video more watch time to support this channel to grow, guys. So I have to fold it into 2 pieces before taking the length of my dress, which is 54 inch. Okay, remember I folded it into 2 pieces before taking the length, which is 54 inch. All right, so this is how I'm going to go about it. Okay, so this is that. So I'm trying to still show you guys that the fabric is like this before I now open it. Okay, so you can see that the style is very simple to cut and sew on your own. So this is the place I'm going to gather it. It's very simple style to make, so you can see the way I'm showing you guys. This is how I'm going to gather. So I'll start my measurement properly now. Okay, so I'm going to measure 5 inch for my neck. So the depth of my neck, I'm going to bring it down by 3 inch. Alright, so remember I'm going to gather the neck, so because of that I'm going to mark 11 inch for my shoulder. So I just want you guys to know that. So when making your own, you should add more length for your neckline. Okay, so I'm going to bring my armhole by 6 inch. Then I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Alright, so guys, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. So I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So after that I'll just cut it out. Remember it has 1 shoulder side. Okay, so I just want you to know the style that I'm making, and I'm using 2 yards of this beautiful Duchess material to achieve this style. Depends on your size, so it depends on your size. That requires a kind of yard that you're going to use for yourself when making your own. So please, you can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this particular tutorial and watch and learn from it. So from the video you can see that the style is very simple to cut and sew on your own. So I'm cutting now. Alright guys, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. Alright, so I want to cut the one side shoulder that I'm making, so that's why I opened it. So what I will do now, I'm going to mark 3 inch. So I just want to shift it well so that you guys can see how I'm going to slant it because it's going to slope down a bit. One side is going to slope down while the other side will be higher. Alright, so that's the 3-inch that I'm going to mark. So that's what I'm explaining, guys. So I just want to use my ruler now to draw a line. Okay, so this is how I'm going to just use and slant it. So after that, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. Then I'm going to run a stitch to make it neat, and I'm going to also add cape on the neckline. So you're going to see how the style is going to come out. It's only by watching it down to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that I'm making. I really want you to understand it and also make it for yourself after watching this particular tutorial down to the end. And I hope you are following up, guys. If you don't understand it, please just take your time again and watch it again and follow the procedure that I'm using to cut this particular style out. You're able to cut your own too. I've run my stitch on it, so this is how I'm going to drag the thread out so that the fabric will gather out. So this is how to go about it when making your own. It's a very simple style to cut and sew on your own. So after dragging out the thread, so it's going to gather together. So I'm going to also show you guys how I'm going to attach my cape on it. So this is the outcome of my gathers. So you can see how neat it is, very beautiful. So you saw the way I gathered it out. So that's how to go about it when making your own, guys. Alright, I have my cape now, and it's 2-inch. Okay, so I'm going to also teach you guys how I'm going to attach it to the neckline. Okay, so I'm going to use my pin to pin it down. So I'm just showing you guys, this is how I'm going to also stitch it. So I'm going to start it from the edge of the neck, and it's going to go through. That is going to appear at the front, and it's going to also appear at the back. So this is how to run your stitch on it. I'm just using my pin to pin it down. So this is how I'm going to sew it. After pinning it down, I'm going to run my stitch on it. I'm going to take it round. So you can see that the style is very simple to cut and sew on your own. So you can see how it is now. So I'll just take it to my sewing machine and run my stitch on it to make it look neater. It's a beautiful style, guys. So you're going to see the outcome now. I hope I made your day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is our year of God's favor, and I want this channel to grow this year, guys, and we can do that together. Guys, if you don't understand it, if you are finding it hard to cut and sew it on your own, please watch it again so that you can able to cut and sew it on your own. This is a beautiful one side off shoulder maxi dress. You can also call it BUBU dress. I will see you in my next one. Please give this particular video more watch time, and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial, guys. You can support this channel, support your own girl by watching all my tutorials that I have on my channel down to the end, and you can also share it with your loved ones. Please also ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys, so that this channel can grow this year. And I really want it to start growing this year, January 2025. I'll see you in my next one.